Hey there, this is David from Website Planet. In this video, we are going to be diving in how to add a new section to any part of your Vibe coded website. If you want the complete step-by-step guide that covers everything for Vibe coding a website, check out the full resource in the link down below. Let's get started. Now, as I get started, there are a few key things I like to do. First, I like to start a new chat so I can have a clean starting point with the agent. Then I will use a simple prompt that tells the AI agent exactly what I want to do, where I want to do it, and provide the content for the agent to use. So as you can see here, what I have is add a new Our Process section to the service page of our website. Place it after the detailed service offering and before the pricing section. So my request to the agent is that underneath these three here, I want to add it in right here. And it looks like we have testimonials here. So I'll actually say the testimonial section. From there, I do want to include the content that I want for this section, which I will do by pressing Shift Return, and I'll press that twice. And then I will paste in the content that I have. As you can see, it really just covers our process where it says, here is the content, include these 4 steps, step 1, 2, 3, and 4, the name of the step, as well as the description. Finally, I am just gonna say, make sure to use the same style and design as the rest of the website. And perfect, just like that, I will hit build and it will start to get to work. And just like that, with just about 2 minutes of work, 62 lines of code added, and for a grand total of 20 cents, we were actually able to add in this process section. It looks really nice. It is on brand. When you hover over them, there's even an animation, which is really cool. What I would love to do is see what this looks like on a full preview. So let me open this up and take a look. All right, so let me scroll down. Here are our core services. It added it exactly where I want. And I do love that it shows all 4 on the page right next to each other. Now, this might be closer to like a tablet size where you see 2 and 2. And then I would imagine on a mobile device, if I go to this preview here, it is gonna stack on top of each other. This is awesome. Now, this video is just scratching the surface. Our complete Vibe coding guide walks you through everything from your very first prompt all the way to deploying a fully professional site. We cover all the essentials like prompting strategies, troubleshooting tips, advanced customizations, and domain setup. You can access the full guide by using that first link down in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.